So I'm gonna share with you my own experience and how I reached my first 100 subscribers. And it's very simple and very straightforward. But before to get into that point, I want to mention some other things that are not that relevant. And one of those things is a lot of channels, when they give tips on how to reach 100 subscribers, they talk about thumbnails, they talk about descriptions, they talk about your profile picture, they talk about your banner, and they talk about your overall channel art. And they give a lot of emphasis into these things. And till today I don't have a banner. So why I don't have it? Because I wanted to reach 100 subscribers without having it, and in that way I prove that it's not that relevant. And the most important thing that you have to do is to create content. You gotta create content and make those videos, publish those videos. It doesn't matter if they're not great, if they're not that good, if they don't have good lighting. Like right now it's cloudy, and I don't care. I'm just gonna keep posting videos, and of course I wanna provide some value, but don't think about those little things, and they're not that important. And so my main point today is that just make a plan, have your titles, have your ideas, the main ideas on a notebook, and try to post videos, as many as you can, without losing quality. But of course, don't make them perfect. As you can see right now, there's a lot of stuff going on. There's noise in the background, there's people walking by, there's cars. But I wanted to do that to prove that you can just create a video and move on. And I don't have like a space in my place where I can record these videos, so that's why I'm making them outdoors. And this is a phone, it's not even a real camera. So just to finish up with this information, don't focus on dumb shit, just keep creating, get those videos on, and keep publishing. One thing that I want to talk about, and it's very important before I forget, is that a lot of creators ask people to click on the thumbs up and give a comment, share a video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And that's good. I mean, like, it's fine if you want to do it, but if you gotta like be on the other side of the screen and like think about it, like, it's so annoying when I watch videos and they ask me to do a lot of things. Like, they give me so many calls to action, and I end up doing nothing. So I feel like most people know how to share a video, how to give a like, how to give a comment, and all that stuff. A lot of people already know how to use YouTube. And this is another thing that I wanted to prove. A lot of people say that you should have your YouTube channel art on point, and also like ask people to subscribe. But I feel like it's so annoying, and people already know how to do that. So that's why I don't do it. Most of my videos, like 99% of my videos, I never ask people to subscribe. So you don't have to do it. So you have to focus on the main point, which is making those freaking videos.